stands for leadership is loyalty to God, country, and people.
E. It is enthusiasm and effort to help and secure others.
It's advocacy, action, and accomplishment.
Hindi na naman sa akin. Joke lang.
It is dedication, discipline, dignity, decency, devotion for duty, and decisiveness for the general welfare.
It is excellence and exemplary work and for others to follow and emulate.
It is reliability, responsibility, and respect for the law, and the right of others and reconciliation for peace and unity.
Sincerely self-sacrifice in social justice to make life better for mankind.
Disability, honesty, helpfulness, and hardworking for accomplishment. Patience, perseverance, beyond partisanship, religion or creed. It works for peace, progress, and prosperity to mankind. Guys,